Before humans walked the earth, tiny societies thrived beneath the forest floor. Welcome to the world of ants. Ants evolved from wasp-like ancestors over 100 million years ago in the Cretaceous period. Fossils preserved in amber give scientists a glimpse into ancient ant species. Ants develop complex social colonies, with queens, workers, and soldiers cooperating seamlessly. Some ants, like leafcutters, farm fungus for food, a practice over 50 million years old. Ants adapted to nearly every environment, from tropical forests to deserts, colonizing continents worldwide. Ants communicate using pheromones, leaving invisible trails to guide their colonies. Life is dangerous, and ants face constant threats from predators and rival colonies. Humans have observed ants for thousands of years, noting their strength, organization, and resilience. From their ancient origins to their incredible adaptability, ants remind us of the power of cooperation and resilience.